Watch. 1. Rolex Oyster Perpetual 177,200. Product description. With manufacturer serial numbers. Azuro blue dial. 18 kelvins white gold Roman numerals 3, V, X. Domed bezel. Self-winding automatic movement. Guaranteed authentic. Certificate of authenticity. Watch. 2. Rolex Datejust automatic self-wind female watch 69,173. About this item. Rolex Datejust 69,173 automatic. Ladies watch white dial 18K yellow gold and SS 26mm. Grade rating. 89. Condition. Very good. Comes with manufacturer's papers offered with this watch. Authenticated luxury consignment by Watch Facts. Watch year. 1994. All images shown are of the actual watch. Watch. 3. Rolex Oyster Perpetual 26 white dial women's watch. Product description. Swiss made. White dial. Index and Arabic numeral hour markers. Seconds, minute markers. Polished 904L oyster steel stainless steel. Stop seconds feature for precise time setting. 48-hour power reserve. Self-winding automatic movement. For more information, please check the links given in the description. Thanks for watching.